How to generate a QR code in Security Bank app in just 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide how you can create your own QR code quickly so you can receive payments or share account details without typing anything manually. Start by opening the Security Bank app on your phone and signing in. Once you reach the home screen, look for the Send, Receive, or QR payment option. Tap it to continue. This section is where the app creates and scans payment codes. Choose the option to receive money or generate a QR code. The app will ask you to select the account you want to use. Pick the correct account so incoming payments go to the right place. After selecting the account, you may see an option to enter an amount. This step is optional. Adding an amount creates a fixed payment request, while leaving it blank allows others to enter the amount themselves. Once confirmed, the app will generate your personal QR code. This code contains your payment details and can be scanned by another person using their banking or payment app. You can show it on your screen or save it as an image for later use. To use it, simply let the other person scan the code from their device. After scanning, they will see your account details and can complete the payment. The transaction usually reflects in your account once processing finishes. If the QR option does not appear, check that your app is updated and your account is fully activated for digital payments. Logging out and signing back in can also refresh missing features. Generating a QR code in the Security Bank app helps you receive payments faster and reduces errors from manual entry. Once you know where to find the receive option and how to display the code, the process becomes quick and convenient whenever you need to collect money.